Do you love using glass cups but hate seeing watermarks and stains on them? Today, I'm going to show you how to keep your glass cups sparkling clean. First things first, let's tackle those watermarks. The secret? Vinegar. Simply fill a bowl with vinegar and submerge your cups for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, take the cups out and rinse them thoroughly with water. Your watermarks should be gone. But what about those tough stains? For that, we need baking soda. Simply sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda into the cup and add some warm water. Let it sit for a few hours, and then rinse it out. If you're dealing with really stubborn stains, you can also try using a mixture of baking soda and vinegar. Just be careful, as the mixture will fizz up quite a bit. And here's an extra tip for keeping your glass cups shiny. Did you know that wiping the inside of an orange peel on your glass can give it a sparkling shine? It's true. Simply take an orange peel and rub the white part on your glass, and voila! Shiny and sparkling clean. Not only does this hack work wonders for glass cups, but it also works on other glassware like vases, jars, and even mirrors. So next time you're enjoying a juicy orange, don't throw away the peel. Instead, use it to give your glassware that extra sparkle. With just a few simple ingredients and tricks, you can keep your glassware looking as good as new. Thanks for watching.